In the next 5 minutes, I'm gonna show you the exact blueprint to launching your very own digital product. Let's get it. What is going on? My name is Scott Moran. I'm the co-founder of Samcart, a place where creators can sell what they love and make money in the process. Right now, sitting on your hard drive is a digital product that's going to change your life. And believe these words because I'm gonna show you exactly how it happens and exactly how it is happening all the time to people just like you. So there's really 3 very simple steps to launching your first digital product, bringing it out into the world and starting to sell it. Number 1, find a community that you love and learn about their problems. Number 2, create a product that can help solve those problems for those people. And number 3 is to tell them about it. The problem many creators end up doing is they start at number 2. They will create a product, get 0 feedback about it, and then try to just shove it down the throat of whatever community that they want to go buy it. And so you end up begging people to take your product off your hands for little to no money. Hello, would you like to buy my ebook? It only costs $1. Please, sir, buy my ebook, please. It ends up being a big waste of time on their behalf because there was all this time and effort and energy that it takes to sort of create this thing. And frankly, that's the point where I see a lot of creators get crushed and they never return to the idea of selling a digital product again. But thankfully, that's not you. No, we are going to tackle this launch the right way. So we're gonna start from the beginning, finding a community. Finding a community is easier than ever. Literally search for any niche on any platform, Google, Reddit, Twitter, Facebook, any of them. And trust me, there is community for absolutely everything under the sun. Once you find that community, click join, click subscribe, right? Follow the top leaders in that space. Get on their newsletters, download their podcasts, read the books people recommend in different forums, the articles that get passed around. Immerse yourself in that community. You need to become a student and a fellow member of that community. And now we pause. Let me warn the money-hungry folks out there who only see other people as dollar signs. If you join a community where you have 0 passion, you are setting yourself up for failure. If you don't give a damn about what happens to these people or the problems they're facing, then your product will be dead on arrival, I promise you. You're much more likely to create a product that just stays surfacey and just blends in with the noise of everything else going on online. You are not an anthropologist sitting back and studying the locals from in the trees. You should consider yourself a valued member of the community, immersing yourself in what's going on. So now that your heart is in the right place, your passion for the space is a mile wide, right? Let's take some time to dig in and chat. Step number 2 is talking with your community. That's right. I want you to start having one-on-one conversations with your fellow community members. And before your anxiety kicks in, remember this: there is nothing more flattering than someone asking you to talk about you. We love talking about who we are, what we do, and why we do what we do, especially when what we do is how we do the do. But the bottom line is people love talking about their passion. And it's so easy to set up the conversation. You just say, hi there, I'm a photographer and I'm thinking about building a product that can help other photographers. Can I ask you about your photography and what you're into and what problems you face? 9 out of 10 times you are gonna get a resounding yes. These conversations are crucial to the success of your digital product because before this, you were just assuming that you understood what people wanted to actually buy. But now you're gonna know exactly what they want and what they'd be willing to pay for. Which brings us to the final step. It's time to create your product and launch it to the world. In the past, we've talked about how to create a huge amount of fanfare around the launch of your new digital product. But sometimes you're not quite ready for some big, massive launch. Sometimes your main focus needs to be on getting your first customer, and then your second, and then your third, right? Work on version 1 of your digital product, and it starts circulating around the community. And that's really where Samcart comes in. Go grab a trial of Samcart, pick one of our sales page templates, and just start selling. One simple page to showcase what you have and close the sale. And while you're launching, don't be shy about the state of your new product. Be open. Tell people that this is in its early stages, but that you feel like it's ready for the public, because it is. Once you get your first couple customers, you can start improving it for your next couple. And that cycle builds and builds and builds, and you get 100 customers, and then a year later, maybe you have 1,000 customers. But let it happen in steps. You do not have to be perfect right away. Heck, you can even ditch creating the product altogether and just go straight to pre-selling it. Make a page, slap a nice discount on it, and let folks know that they're getting in on the ground floor with this special pre-sale. And bam, You've just successfully launched a product without even creating it. Launching your digital product this way can lead to a better, more impactful product that can change your community and change your business and your life. And once you go through this process, I'm telling you, it just gets easier and easier. You will keep getting better and better at it as your products and your services and your business continue to mature. But these 3 steps are so easy. All you have to do is put a little bit of heart, a little bit of creativity into it. Number 1 is find a community that you love and understand their problems. Number 2 is to create a product that helps solve that problem. And number 3 is to build a page, launch it to the world, and let them start buying. That's it. It doesn't have to be an overnight game changer. You can start small and build your business from there. Thanks for watching. I'm Scott Moran, co-founder of Samcart. If you are a creator looking to launch and deliver your awesome digital products, then check out Samcart over at samcart.com. We have all the tools that you need to help sell your digital product and scale your business to the 6 and 7 figure level. And we do that with a few tools that can help make you even more money than you ever thought possible. Head over to samcart.com and grab a free trial today.